Today we're looking at the 3-inch zinc-plated U-bolt kit with the zinc-plated U-bolts and the steel tie plates for 3-inch round trailer axles. This kit comes with 4 zinc-plated U-bolts and 2 steel tie plates. These work with 5,200 pound axles, 6,000 pound axles, 7,000 pound axles, and 8K axles with 3-inch tube. The measurement of this U-bolt is 7.5 inches long from inside, or it's 8 inches from the outside. The inner diameter is 3 inch and the outer diameter is 4 inch. Comes with the washers, the nuts, the tie plates. So this whole kit will do 1 axle for a 3-inch tube. And you can get these at TrailerPartsUnlimited.com or give us a call at 844-898-8687. Thank you.